Today we are learning Quilted Fill. This design is one of my own invention, so named because while a lot of these laidwork patterns remind me of quilts, this one reminded me of a quilt the most. We'll begin with our oh so handy dandy trellis stitch. Huzzah! Next, we'll add couching stitches over the cross points, but they should alternate directions as you move across a row, which in the end should create a look similar to flannel stitch, with one square having the 4 points of the couching stitches inside it, and the next one having no couching stitches inside. Now to make the quilted look, we'll do a bit of satin stitching, filling only the squares with no couching stitches reaching into them. You can do all your satin stitching across the piece in the same direction, or you can alternate directions with each row. You could even try satin stitching on a diagonal direction if you'd like. This stitch has a lot of options for playing around and varying up the final look. The number of colors and placement of those colors can also really change up the final look, as you can see from these other versions I stitched. That's our finished quilted fill. Don't forget to add a border if you'd like. And we're done!